Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to create a truck ad style with AI. Alright, this is actually a new way of promoting a product. Alright, so let's go to the Chrome. First, what we are gonna do is we are gonna choose a product. It can be let's go with diamond. Alright. Um, I think I'll go with this. Okay. Now I will copy image and then I will go to Google Gemini. By the way, if you guys haven't watched Google Gemini the tutorial yet, the link will be in the description or in the I button, so feel free to watch. And I will create the image plus I will paste the our product here. Okay, I will go to my Notion. Alright, and then I will copy this. I'll copy this and go to my Gemini and paste. Create an image. Don't forget to enable this. Alright, and let's see how the result is. Notion link will be in the description too, so you guys can follow along. And we are gonna open Quickverse for this. Quickverse AI. Okay, let's see how our result is. Oh wow, it's like shiny type, right? I like this one, and let's redo it. Okay, this is also good. Alright, this is also good. Okay, so now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to our pictures. We are gonna choose one of them. We have two, right? I'm gonna choose the recent one which I've downloaded. Yeah, this is the one. Sorry, have I downloaded this? And we are gonna add this video prompt. Okay. Alright, now let's click create and let's see how the result is. Okay, so we have our result now, and this is pretty good. It's good. I'm gonna download this. You can download with watermark or without watermark, that is totally up to you. Now I'm gonna try something else. Okay, I'm gonna the picture that we have downloaded, this one, let's try to add. And we have our video now. Let's open and see how the result is. Okay, yeah, this is pretty good though. Let's have the result one more time. So you can choose which picture do you prefer, this one, the side angle, the front angle. Alright. Just you need to know how to communicate with AI. Alright. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Which picture do you prefer, side or front? That is totally up to you. I prefer the front angle so everything can be seen. Okay, so let's have choose this picture. But uh, still, it's up to you if you prefer side angle, front angle. It's totally fine. All right. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel, and share your thoughts. And if you're watching until the very end, you can comment below I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.